If you want to connect a printer to Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here choose connect devices and then go to connection preferences. You should be able to find the printing option over here, and the first thing that we can do is go to default print service, make sure that it is enabled, and then we are scanning for printers. You might be able to find your printer over here, so then you can select it in order to establish a connection. However, if this option doesn't work, you cannot find your printer over here, or you cannot connect, then you might need to download an additional plugin that allows you to make the connection happen. In that case, if you go back to printing setting, then over here we have add service. You will be redirected to the Play Store where we have different plugins for different brands of printers. So essentially you want to download the service for your printer over here, and then you might be able to connect your printer. However, sometimes, especially nowadays, printers are required to, or phones are required to download specific apps for printers. So essentially you want to check the user manual of the printer if none of this works, in order to find out if you actually need to download a very specific app that is made just for that printer, because these things happen unfortunately. So then you want to use the Play Store in order to find the app over here, and then you should be able to follow not only the instructions that you have in the user manual, but also instructions that you may see on the app of the printer. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.